If you're in any way serious about making music on a PC, Mac or iOS device, one of the best MIDI keyboards on this list should be an essential addition to your home or mobile studio setup. We are having a look at the best MIDI keyboards available in 2020 and giving our thoughts on what we consider to be our top 5. Here is our complete guide to choosing and using MIDI controller, along with our recommendations for the best MIDI controller available today. Number 1. AXIOM Professional MPK 249, 49-key USB MIDI keyboard and drumpad controller. Pro Keyboard Performance 49 semi-weighted, velocity-sensitive full-size keys in a premium piano-style keybed for unprecedented response and natural feel. 16 RGB illuminated MPC-style pads, each with 4 banks for 64 pads. The perfect solution for triggering samples, loops, one-shots, melodics and more. 24 assignable Q-Link controllers comprising 8 control knobs, faders and switches engineered for hassle-free DAW, virtual instrument mapping. Take command of your peripheral MIDI equipment courtesy of an onboard USB MIDI interface with 5-pin MIDI input and output. MPC mainstay controls included: MPC note repeat, arpeggiator, MPC full level, tap tempo and time division, comprehensive production. Number 2. M-Audio Oxygen 61 MKIV, 61-key USB MIDI keyboard and drumpad controller. Compact, ultra-portable performance keyboard controller with 61 full-size, synth-action velocity-sensitive keys and onboard pitch bend and modulation wheels for expressive performances. 8 velocity-sensitive trigger pads for beat production and clip launching. 8 assignable knobs and 9 assignable faders for manipulating virtual instruments, DAW parameters and plugins. Onboard LCD screen provides instant parameter feedback. Dedicated octave up and down buttons increase the keyboard to the full melodic range, and transport buttons let you control your DAW without reaching for the mouse. Innovative Direct Link automatically maps controls to popular DAWs including Ableton Live, Pro Tools, Logic, Cubase and more. Number 3. Novation Impulse 49 USB MIDI controller keyboard. Ultra-responsive semi-weighted keyboard with aftertouch, full DAW plugin control surface with 8 knobs, 9 faders and buttons. AutoMap 4 control software enables instant hands-on access to your DAW and plugins. Multi-function drum pads enable you to warp arpeggios, roll beats and launch clips in Ableton Live. Includes downloads for Ableton Live Lite, Novation's Bass Station Synth, XLN Audio Addictive Keys, and a Loopmaster sample pack. Novation now offers a 3-year warranty on this and all other Novation products. Number 4. M-Audio Code 49 Black, 49-key USB MIDI keyboard controller. 49 full-size, velocity and pressure-sensitive keys with aftertouch, an all-new custom keybed for a clean, precise action, and 4 assignable zones for splits and layering. 16 fully assignable velocity-sensitive trigger pads for beat production, clip launching and more. 8 assignable 360 encoders combined with 9 assignable faders and buttons for controlling your DAW and virtual instruments. Fully assignable, Ableton-friendly XY pad for HID control and a unique way of controlling multiple parameters in virtual instruments. Minimal setup required. MACKIE Way Transport Control enables for a simple, seamless setup with today's most popular DAWs. USB bus powered with onboard 5-pin MIDI in and out for sending MIDI data from PC sequencers to your favorite analog synth. Comprehensive production. Number 5. M-Audio AXIOM Air 61, 61-key USB MIDI keyboard controller. 32 velocity-sensitive keys with channel after-touch, 45 assignable controls, knobs, sliders, buttons, transport and more. 8 dynamic pads for finger drumming and MIDI triggering, USB bus powered, no AC adapter required. AC adapter is an optional. Bundled with the Cakewalk Production Plus pack including 3 incredible instruments and production software.